Okay, this is like my dozenth try tonight to create a introductory video to UniqueFoundry to tell you about UniqueFoundry. And we do have some cool features, like I can just go to this camera here, which is missing something. Where are you? I don't know, order. We'll bring it to the top. There we go. Now, anyway, hopefully you can still hear me. I've had all kinds of issues tonight, and I just wanted to take a minute to say what UniqueFoundry is. And I just could think of it as a company, but it's not really a company. It's just a way of discussing something that encompasses all of the different projects that I'm working on, people I know are working on, ideas I have, and ideas that people I know we come up with. Can be somehow positioned under this sort of whatever, branding of UniqueFoundry or whatever, even though it's not really a brand. So one of the questions I did answer for myself earlier already is, if I go to the desktop here, we're having some problems with resolution before. You can see, you can actually read this text. Not great, but you can read it. That's what we're going to, in the coming days, there's going to be videos related to UniqueFoundry stuff, and even Art by Everyone, which is a project that I have stuff, and there'll be videos related to programming, graphic design, just different ways of thinking through things to accomplish things with technology, and just also accomplish things, produce things that the UniqueFoundry produces. And really the UniqueFoundry, I mean, it is basically me, it's fair to say that it's a way for me to get out there a little bit, but I'm not trying to be famous or anything. I'm just trying to stay organized so people know about me. So hopefully this is a pretty good introductory video. Hopefully the music's not too loud and it's just kind of back there. Right now I'm just using the camera, the microphone on the camera, and pretty soon we're going to have a conference microphone here to pick up stuff pretty cool, especially if we have guest stuff here. This is my new fancy desk lamp. I figured I should use it. This would be a perfect use for it. And blah, blah, blah. So that's my very professional introduction to UniqueFoundry. I'm sure I'll come up with another one soon. That's the other thing too is, unless there's something more glamorous in the beginning of this to introduce these things, these sessions are pretty casual, including the introduction. This is not a pitch to sell this business and make partners or something like that, or even network. I mean, maybe somebody sees some of our other stuff, they think it's cool, but this is just very dry explanation of what UniqueFoundry is. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to try to go back to my title pick there, which, by the way, I designed. Some people said it was pretty cool, but whatever. I guess it's all right. I do have a lot of work to do tonight, and I'm going to be filming some of the processes. So stay tuned for that.